day, everyone. Today, I will be discussing limits. So, by definition of limit, let f of x be a function of x and let a be a constant. So, if there is a number L such that in order to make the value of f of x as close to L as may be desired, it is sufficient to choose x close enough to a but different from a. Then we say that the limit of f of x as x approaches a is L. So we write like this. In mathematics, a limit is defined as a value that a function approaches to the output for the given input values. So limits are important in calculus and mathematical analysis and used to define integrals, derivatives, and continuity. And it is used in the analysis process, and it always concerns about the behavior of the function at a particular point. So, the limit of a sequence is further generalized in the concept of the limit of a topological net and related to the limit and direct limit in theory category. So, here's an example of we can use the substitution method to evaluate the limit. So we have f of x is equals to negative 4x squared plus 12x minus 20. So we have limit f of x as x approaches negative 2 equals f of negative 2. So we're just going to plug in the value of x to the given example. So we have negative 4 quantity of negative 2 squared plus 12 quantity of negative 2 minus 20. So negative 2 squared, we have positive 4. So we have negative 4 times 4 minus 24 minus 20. So we have negative 60. This means that limit of negative 4x squared plus 12x minus 20 as x approaches to negative 2 is equals to negative 60. The limit of polynomial function in general can be evaluated using this technique, this substitution. So let's have another example. Find the limit as t approaches 10 of the expression f is equals to 3t plus 7. So we have the limit of quantity of 3t plus 7 as t approaches 10 is equals to 37. So we're just going to plug in the value of t, which is 10. So we have 3 times 10 is 30 plus 7 is equals to 37. Another example. Find the limit of 5 minus 3x over 6x plus 1 as x approaches infinity. So using the basic limits, we know that limit of 1 over x as x approaches infinity is equals to 0. So we have our given example is limit of 5 minus 3x over 6x plus 1 as x approaches infinity. Applying the basic limits, so we have limit of 5 over x minus 3 over 6 plus 1 over x as x approaches infinity. So we have, so we're just going to simplify. So 5 over x is equal to 0 minus 3, and 6 plus 1 over x is 0. So we have the answer is negative 1/2.